Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian Journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and on Thursdays. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon. Today's unique recipe out of the box is egg bhurji, or popularly known as masala andabhurji. This egg bhurji have given a twist for it, so let's start with the ingredient list. Here I've taken 4 eggs. Organic or normal, your choice. 2 chopped tomatoes, 2 finely chopped onions, 2 tablespoons of pav bhaji masala, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 cup of coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 3 green chilies finely chopped, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, that is haldi, salt as per your taste, and pepper around 1 tablespoon or according to your taste. We also need 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. In a hot pan, add oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Let them heat up. Please add the roughly chopped onions and saute them well. To this I'm adding the chopped green chilies and giving it a quick mix. Let the onion release its moisture. To this then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Add turmeric, that is haldi. To this please add the coriander powder. Then goes the pav bhaji masala powder. Give them a quick mix, combine them. Now you can add the red chili powder and saute them well for next 2 minutes. See that you remove all the raw texture. To this I'm adding the tomatoes and saute them next 2 minutes. Now I'm adding the coriander leaves in batches. So we'll be dividing the coriander leaves for around 2 to 3 batches. You can add the eggs now and mix them and combine for next 2 minutes. Keep combining and mixing them so that it cooks better. Now you can add more half teaspoon of salt if needed. To this I'm adding the remaining coriander leaves. Cover them and cook for more 1 minute. Post 1 minute, the bhurji is all ready. Transfer the cooked bhurji onto a plate or a bowl. Next, in the same pan, you can add 1 tablespoon of butter and then add the chili powder around half teaspoon and half teaspoon of pav bhaji masala and a pinch of coriander leaves, and place your bread buns. We will just pan fry the buns. Gently press the bread buns and pan fry them. You can add more butter if needed. Follow the same process for all the bread buns. Repeat the process and follow it accordingly. Just like the pav bhaji bread buns. Be generous by adding more butter if needed. Pan fry them gently and then serve them hot with the piping hot bhurji, that is the pav bhaji bhurji. Thanks for watching and stay connected to Dimples and Arabian Journey. Share this recipe with your friends and family.